Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to start with second chapter from your Grammar Cloud book. We already did the first chapter, that was sentences. Now in this chapter we are going to do the different kinds of sentences. We have been doing all this since a long time, right? In your previous classes also you all have done sentences. There are four kinds of sentences, as we all know: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Moving on to the first exercise, I have already shared a link for the explanation of the chapter. I'll be continuing with helping you solve the exercise. The first exercise, A, that is on page number 11. Name the kinds of the given sentences. These are the sentences given and you have to write the kind of sentences, whether it is assertive, imperative, interrogative, negative, exclamatory, whatever. Okay, so the first sentence is like, this is our classroom. This is our classroom. So this sentence is like a simple sentence. So it can be an assertive or declarative sentence. Now, for example, see the fourth one. Its walls are not painted. Okay, walls are not painted. So here not shows negation. So this will be a negative sentence. Now, if you go see the fifth one, are there posters on the walls? Question mark. So yes, it is very easy to understand, no? Question mark. So it is by default interrogative sentence only. So this one, fifth one, will be interrogative sentence. See this again, see one more, the seventh one. Do the students not sit on the benches? Okay, again there is a not over here. Okay, so this is this not. So what will it be? And there is a question mark also. So what will it be? Will it be a negative sentence or an interrogative sentence? Yes, it will be a interrogative negative sentence. Why? Because there is a not also over here and there is a question mark also. Moving on to exercise B. In exercise B, change the following into affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is a simple positive sentence. Okay, so read the first one. The dog is not a faithful animal. So what you have to do, you have to remove this not. Yahan se you have to remove the not and write the sentence as it is. So the sentence will become positive. See, for example, the dog is a faithful animal. See the second one. It does not sleep at night. Okay, it does not sleep at night. Again, not is used. So we have to remove not because we have to make it into a affirmative sentence. So it sleeps at night. Similarly, now see the exercise C. Change the following into interrogative sentence. Okay, now this is the sentences are given. You have to make it into a question. And when you make it into a question, here it means you have to make it into a yes no type question. Okay, yes no type question. So he is writing a letter. So when you are changing into a interrogative sentence or yes no type sentence, then this helping verb is a helping verb, as we all know. So that comes before the subject. Okay, so he is writing a letter. So when you change it into interrogative, it becomes, is he writing a letter? Question mark. The sense should not change. Okay, see the second one. The boys are laughing. Again, which is the helping verb over here? Yes, are, and subject boy. So are will come before the subject. So are the boys laughing? Question mark will be the answer when you change to interrogative. See one more, this one, fourth one. The baby was crying. Again, was is a helping verb, so that will come before the subjects. This is the subject, right? So was the baby crying? Question mark. So the answer will be like, was the baby crying and question mark. That's how you change into a interrogative sentence. What you have to do, you have to put the helping verb plus subject. Okay, first you have to put the helping verb plus the subject, other words and question mark. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. We'll be continuing with DEF in our next session. For today you have to complete whatever is remaining. You have to solve for practice for in exercise A, B and C. Okay, if you have any queries, you all can ask me. Thank you.